Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make my own lip balm at home. First thing I'm going to need is glycerin, and I'm going to use Vaseline Blue Seal. You can choose whichever type of Vaseline you want, depending on the flavor. It doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to use essential oils for smell and flavor. I'm going to use avocado and eucalyptus essential oils. And then of course a place where I'm going to mix everything together. So I've already removed my Vaseline from its original container and placed it in this jar where I'm going to heat it to completely melt. The time I set it to about 5 minutes 30 seconds, but you can go up to 6 depending on your type of microwave, as long as all the Vaseline is completely melted. So all my Vaseline has been melted. You have to do this really fast because it tends to go back to its room temperature. Okay. First thing, I'm going to put a tablespoon of glycerin and then start mixing. Immediately you put the glycerin, you're going to notice the consistency is changing. So go in with your essential oils. I use the bottle top to measure. I put one for each eucalyptus and avocado. Continue mixing. You're going to notice like the temperature is going to make it start becoming solid really fast. You can add another tablespoon of glycerin. It's completely optional depending on how much you want it to come out. I used 2 tablespoons because I figured it needs to be a little bit more smooth. Next thing we're going to add, which is optional, but I like using it because when I apply this lip balm on my lips, I don't have the white layers on my lips. So that's why I use the non-sticky glycerin. It helps with that. So when I apply it on my lips, that white thing that always comes out after you talk for a while doesn't come out anymore. So then I'm just going to put it in the original container. You can use whichever container, but I just feel like it's super convenient to have it in this container. It's easy to use, small, fits in any bag. Transfer all of it back into the container or whichever container you choose. And that's it. Another important thing to note is that in this video I did not use any food color because I didn't have any, and second because I just wanted it to be clear. But if you want your lip balm to have a bit of color, maybe pink, maybe red, while you're adding the essential oils, it's important to add the food color on it, and then it's gonna change color to whichever color that you prefer. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, and I really hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.